Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a question I get daily. Layman, how can I make my first $25 online without experience or upfront expenses? Whether you're a student drowning in debt, a stay-at-home parent looking for some extra cash, or just someone who needs some quick cash, I've got you covered. I'm hooking you up with 20 proven sites that pay real money for simple tasks. Let's dive in. First up, we've got Overview Addict. This site's all about sharing your honest opinions on different brands and products. You can earn anywhere from 50 cents to $3 per review. And the best part is, you can cash out through PayPal once you hit $5. Make sure you fill out your profile completely to unlock higher paying surveys. Next, we're rolling with Swagbucks, the OG of getting paid for your everyday online activities. You earn points, called SB, for taking surveys, watching videos, and even just searching the web like you normally do. You can easily earn $1 or $2 a day, sometimes even $5, and then cash out your SB for gift cards or straight-up PayPal cash. Oh, and pro tip, download the Swagbucks browser extension. It's like having a passive income stream just chilling in your browser. Now, let's talk about Free Cash, the king of quick payouts. They've got a ton of different ways to earn, from testing out new apps to playing games to completing quick offers. You can easily make 50 cents to $20 per task. And the best part? They offer instant PayPal payouts once you hit $5. No waiting around for your rewards. It's all about that instant gratification. Let's get down to business with Amazon Mechanical Turk, or MTurk for short. This platform is all about completing microtasks like data entry, transcription, or categorizing images. You can earn anywhere from $1 to $10 an hour, and they pay out reliably through Amazon. Pro tip, use a script like MTurk Suite to find the highest paying tasks and maximize your earnings. Ever feel like your internet connection is just sitting there, not living its best life? With Honeygain, you can put that unused bandwidth to work and earn some passive income. You can earn anywhere from $3 to $10 a month without lifting a finger. Similar to Honeygain, Pawns.app lets you earn money by sharing your internet bandwidth. They also offer surveys to boost your earnings. You can easily make $1 to $5 a day, and they offer flexible cash-out options through Bitcoin or PayPal. If you've got a knack for design and have ever dreamed of selling your own merchandise, Printful and Printify are your new best friends. These platforms let you create and sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more without having to deal with any inventory or shipping headaches. You can easily make $5 to $20 in profit per item sold, and you can integrate your shop with popular platforms like Shopify or Etsy to reach a wider audience. Ready to unleash your inner freelancer? Upwork is the world's largest freelance marketplace, connecting skilled professionals with clients from all over the globe. You can set your own rates, work on projects that interest you, and build a portfolio to attract high-paying clients. It's a fantastic way to earn a substantial income on your own terms, with some freelancers earning $20 to $50 an hour or even more. Next up, we've got Fiverr, another popular freelance platform that's perfect for selling your skills and services. Fiverr is all about gigs, which are basically small, one-time projects that you can offer for a fixed price. Use relevant keywords to optimize your gig listings and attract buyers looking for your specific skills. Got a knack for listening and typing? Rev is your new go-to platform for turning those skills into cold, hard cash. They're always on the lookout for transcribers to convert audio and video content into text. The pay rate varies depending on the audio quality and turnaround time, but you can generally expect to make around 30 cents to $1.10 per audio minute. Just make sure you've got a good pair of headphones and a keen eye for detail, as accuracy is key in the transcription world. Ever wished you could tell companies what you really think about their websites and apps? With user testing, you can do just that and get paid for your honest feedback. Each test typically takes around 10 to 20 minutes to complete, and you can earn a cool $10 to $30 per test. Payments are sent out weekly via PayPal, making it a reliable way to earn some extra cash on the side. Gamers, this one's for you. If you love spending time on your phone playing mobile games, why not get rewarded for it with Cash 'em All? The more you play, the more coins you earn, and you can redeem those coins for a variety of rewards, including Amazon gift cards. You can easily earn $10 to $25 per month just by dedicating a bit of your free time to playing games on your phone. If you've got a knack for creating engaging and entertaining videos, the TikTok Creator Fund could be your ticket to monetizing your creativity. Once you're in, you'll earn money based on the performance of your videos, meaning the more views, likes, and shares you get, the more you earn. Focus on creating high-quality niche content that resonates with your target audience, and watch those views and earnings soar. Calling all artists, designers, and creative minds. Redbubble is your platform to showcase your unique style and monetize your artwork. This print-on-demand platform allows you to upload your designs onto a wide range of products, including stickers, posters, t-shirts, phone cases, and more. Whenever someone purchases a product featuring your design, Redbubble handles the production, printing, and shipping, while you earn a commission on each sale. Promote your Redbubble shop on social media platforms like Pinterest to drive traffic and boost your sales. Who doesn't love saving money while shopping online? Rakuten, formerly known as Ebatease, makes it super easy to earn cash back on your everyday purchases. Simply sign up for a free account, browse their website for your favorite retailers, and click through their links to shop. You can earn anywhere from 1% to 10% cash back, depending on the retailer and the current promotions. They offer quarterly payouts via check or PayPal, making it a convenient way to put some extra money back in your pocket without any extra effort. If you're a fan of taking surveys, but tired of the low payouts, Prolific is about to become your new best friend. This platform partners with universities and researchers to conduct academic studies and surveys, and they're known for offering significantly higher pay rates than your average survey site. You can expect to earn around $6 to $10 per hour, and the best part is, the surveys are often more interesting and engaging than the typical market research ones. Calling all entrepreneurs and digital marketers. Flippa is your online marketplace for buying and selling websites, domains, and other digital assets. You can buy undervalued websites, improve their design, content, and search engine rankings, and then sell them for a profit. The potential earnings on Flippa are virtually limitless, with some experienced flippers making anywhere from a few $100s to tens of thousands of dollars per flip. It requires some upfront investment and a solid understanding of online business, but the rewards can be substantial if you're willing to put in the effort. Remember, you don't have to limit yourself to just one platform. Combining multiple platforms can significantly boost your earning potential. You could be taking surveys on Swagbucks while your internet bandwidth earns passive income on Honeygain. Or you could be completing Microtasks on mTurk while waiting for your user testing tests to start. Experiment, track your earnings, and see what works best for you. Time is money, especially when you're hustling online. To maximize your earnings, it's essential to track your time and focus on the platforms and tasks that yield the highest returns. Use a time tracking app or a simple spreadsheet to monitor how much time you're spending on each platform and adjust your strategy accordingly. Last but not least, let's talk taxes. Yes, even online earnings are taxable, so it's important to stay on top of your financial obligations. Keep track of your earnings throughout the year, set aside money for taxes, and consider using accounting software or apps like QuickBooks Self-Employed to simplify the process. Staying on top of your taxes ensures you can enjoy your hard-earned online income without any surprises down the road. Thanks for watching. If you earn $25 using these sites, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your success stories. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more money-making guides. See you in the next video.